happy ducklings, 1, 2, 3, playing by the pond so happily. Fluffy feathers, soft and bright, dancing in the morning light. Quack, quack, splash away. Let's all laugh and let's all play. Swim together, side by side. On the little pond we'll glide. Mama duck says, come this way. Stay together while you play. Tiny feet go tap, 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 making ripples splash, splash, splash. Quack, quack, splash away. Sunny is our happy day. Round and round the pond we go, smiling as the flowers grow. Butterflies are dancing high. Little birds fly through the sky. Friendly frogs say, hop with me. Everyone is full of glee. Quack, quack, clap your wings. Happy hearts and happy sings. Hop and wiggle, splash around. Joyful laughter all around. One duck finds a shiny leaf. Another giggles underneath. Tiny bubbles float so high. Clouds are smiling in the sky. Swish, swish, little tails. Gentle breeze and happy trails. Around the pond we sing our song. Come and happily sing along. Splash away. Every day's a happy day. 5 happy ducklings, bright and true, love to play with me and you. Quack, quack, splash away. We'll be back another day. Wave goodbye with smiles so bright. Sweet dreams, friends, good night.